In a stunning reversal of fortune, one of the nation's most influential United States senators, Robert Menendez, has been found guilty of accepting hundreds of thousands of dollars of bribes in exchange for using his powerful post to enrich and protect two businessmen and acting as an agent for the Egyptian government.
This case has always been about shocking levels of corruption. Hundreds of thousands of dollars in bribes in the form of cash, gold bars, a Mercedes-Benz. This wasn't politics as usual, this was politics for profit. And now that a jury has convicted Bob Menendez, his years of selling his office to the highest bidder have finally come to an end.
After the jury decision, outside the Manhattan courthouse, the senator from New Jersey vehemently denied the charges.
Good afternoon. Obviously, I'm deeply disappointed by the jury's decision. I have every faith that the law and the facts did not sustain that decision and that we will be successful upon appeal. I have never violated my public oath. I have never been anything but a patriot of my country and for my country. I have never, ever been a foreign agent.
Jurors began their deliberations on Friday and spent more than 12 hours over 3 days before reaching a verdict in the trial, which had lasted 9 weeks.
This is a historic verdict because Senator Menendez was not only convicted of corruption, but as acting as an agent of a foreign government.
Rahmani says the senator could end up spending years behind bars.
The maximum possible sentence on some of the counts is 20 years in prison. This prosecution and conviction shows that no one is above the law, including a powerful and high-ranking senator like Bob Menendez. If you break the law and if you accept bribes, you will be caught and you will be convicted.
The United States Constitution grants Congress the power to expel Senator Menendez, but according to Professor Thomas Whalen of Boston University, it's not an easy task.
The notion that you can get 2/3 of the Senate to agree on getting rid of a member is a very high bar to achieve, which makes, such things very difficult. Since, the history of the Republic, I think there's been something like 15 senators who have been expelled. The framers of the Constitution kind of made it difficult. They didn't want members expelled due to the passions of the mob.
Menendez's legal team has announced plans to appeal the verdict. Aaron Rainin, VOA News, New York City.